trying to subscribe one channel to many devices but running out of Dante flows? This is a perfect time to use multicast. In unicast mode, Dante allocates a flow for each receiving device. If you subscribe to too many receivers, you eventually hit a flow limitation. Multicast sends the audio or video flow once, allowing many devices to receive it without creating additional flows. To set this up, double-click the transmitting device to open Device View. Click the multicast icon. Choose the channels you want to send via multicast and create the flow. Once created, you'll see the multicast channels appear in the Transmit section. And now you can subscribe to as many devices as you need. Just remember that multicast requires IGMP snooping to be enabled on your network. Without it, multicast traffic can flood the network. And that's your Dante tip of the day. Using multicast allows your Dante system to scale gracefully and efficiently. If you want to learn more, check out the Dante controller chapters in Level 1 and 2 of the new Dante certification program.